Hey guys, guess what I just found? You can't see it unless I do the Mexican zoom. I'm walking in. I'm walking in. Now it is pretty dark. Look at that.
Them water them a lot. Them like peaceful.
Hmm.
You see it?
Yeah. There is a ton of honeybees. And these bees are the good kind. They're not the yellow jackets that stung me the other day in the avocado tree. So hopefully all goes well and hopefully all goes well and we can have some honey. We can have some honey.
Yes. Look at that.
We can have some honey.
For Thai belief is the bee come to make their home, the honeycomb, right? In your property,
It's
it means like that your house is.
Honeycomb is the wax thing. A hive is the whole house thing there where the bees are gathering. So this is a beehive that are building a honeycomb to make some honey.
Beehive.
Yeah.
If them come to make the beehive in your home, your property, mean that your home is peaceful
Oh yeah, this is very peaceful.
and
The
them
only
like
one,
something that quiet,
yeah.
nothing that interrupt them to make honey.
Well,
But
with all these new houses, I hope they get along because they're going to have a housewarming and they have these parties that you can hear 10 miles away. So hopefully they'll be okay. And around here, the only noise that there is, of course, the chickens and the OG.
what's going on? What's going on, Yoji?
The OG loves to sing early in the morning when all these characters in the neighborhood start howling. Yeah. All right. Let me keep on doing my thing here because
Don't bother them.
yeah, because it's been raining every single day. I finally cut this branches off these trees here, and one is carrying them to the back. And as you can see, I'm cutting right here. That's when I discovered the bees. But over here, the grass is really tall. Now the other day, I used a weed whacker to cut over there where the chickens are at. So if I didn't, those things would be humongous, just like here, but bigger actually. All right, we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.
ขอบคุณเจ้า
See you next time.
แล้วปะกันแฮมไมนะเจ้า
See you.
Bye bye